If you've been denied a business loan because you don't have 2 years of pristine tax returns ready to hand over to a bank underwriter, I want you to stop right there, take a deep breath, and realize you are not alone. Stop letting outdated, rigid traditional banking rules stall your company's growth and momentum. The reality of modern business is that traditional banks are looking at the wrong things entirely. They want to see past history from a year or two ago, buried in a thick stack of tax documents that probably show heavy write-offs. Let's be completely honest as business owners. You utilize legal deductions to minimize your taxable income because that is the smart way to manage your business taxes. But when traditional lenders look at that low net income on the bottom line, they instantly say no, completely ignoring the actual volume of money your business generates every single week. Here is the fundamental truth you need to understand. Your tax returns do not reflect the day-to-day health, speed, and real-time momentum of your business right now. Lenders who actually understand speed and performance-based outcomes care about one thing above all else, and that is your consistent cash flow. Today, we are breaking down the exact strategy you can use to bypass the tax return nightmare entirely and secure substantial working capital using nothing but your recent business bank statements. When you shift the entire conversation away from your historic tax returns and focus heavily on your current revenue history, the entire funding landscape changes in your favor. Performance-based lenders are not looking to see how much profit you left on the table for Uncle Sam at the end of the year. They are looking directly at your gross monthly deposits. They want to see the pure volume of capital flowing into your accounts. They want to see consistency from month to month. They want to know exactly how much money moves through your business on a regular basis, because that real-time cash flow is the ultimate, undeniable proof that your business has the strength to support and comfortably repay capital right now, not 2 years ago. If you are averaging at least $10,000 a month in gross deposits, and your business has been actively operating for at least 3 to 6 months, you are already in an excellent position to qualify. It absolutely does not matter if your tax returns show zero net income after your accountant finishes with your deductions. It doesn't even matter if your personal credit score has taken a few hits along the way while you were grinding to build the company. Your bank statements tell the true, unvarnished story of your business's day-to-day operational strength. Think about what you could realistically achieve if you had access to that capital over the next 24 to 48 hours. Instead of waiting weeks or even months for a traditional bank underwriter to comb through your personal and business tax history, only to hit you with endless requests for more documents before delivering a maybe or an outright rejection, statement-based funding aligns perfectly with the actual speed of modern business. You can instantly use these funds to bridge a tight seasonal gap, cover immediate payroll during a growth spurt, purchase bulk inventory at a massive discount, or jump on a sudden commercial expansion opportunity before any of your competitors even realize what happened. To position your business for the highest possible approval amounts and the absolute best terms available, you need to understand exactly what statement-based underwriters are looking for when they review your files. They typically look closely at your last 3 to 6 months of business bank statements, and they are analyzing 3 specific pillars. First, they look at the total monthly volume of your deposits to determine your overall capacity for funding. Second, they look at the total number of individual deposits you receive each month. They prefer to see multiple transactions from a diverse and active customer base, which proves to them that your revenue stream is stable and isn't entirely dependent on just one single client who could leave at any moment. Third, they look at your average daily balance. Maintaining a consistently positive, healthy daily balance shows them that you manage your incoming cash flow smoothly and can easily handle a regular repayment structure without putting any operational strain on your day-to-day business activities. By focusing entirely on these real-time metrics instead of ancient tax history, you effectively put the power back where it belongs, directly into your hands. You stop pitching your past mistakes or accounting write-offs, and you start funding your immediate future. Every single day you spend waiting for a traditional bank to review stacks of paper is a day your business isn't growing. The paperwork burden alone stops many business owners from even trying, leaving them stuck in a cycle of limited cash flow when the revenue to back a massive expansion is already sitting right there in their bank account. You do not need to be held back by an arbitrary scoring system or a tax form that was filed 12 months ago. and doesn't represent the new contracts, new clients, or new revenue streams you've built since then. When you leverage performance-based capital, the underwriting process is streamlined specifically because it relies on data, not bureaucracy. The technology used by modern lenders allows them to look at the health of your deposits and issue approvals in a fraction of the time it takes a bank committee to schedule a single meeting. This means you can make decisions at the speed of the market, taking advantage of vendor discounts, upgrading critical equipment the moment it breaks, or scaling up your marketing campaigns exactly when demand spikes. If you are tired of jumping through endless bureaucratic hoops, dealing with endless requests for old tax documents, and are finally ready to see exactly how much capital your actual revenue can unlock for your business, stop waiting around for the traditional system to change. Head over to CompleteFundingSolutions.com right now. You can completely skip the endless paperwork loop and let a dedicated team that specializes in fast, performance-based capital solutions go to work for your business immediately. Let's stop talking about your old tax returns and let's start talking about your immediate growth. Head to CompleteFundingSolutions.com today to get started, and let's fuel your business expansion on your own terms.